BabyTales.
Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're revving up our creativity as we draw and color a sleek and stylish scooter. Get ready to hit the road with this fun and easy art tutorial. Let's kick things off by sketching the basic outline of our scooter. Picture its sleek frame, curved handlebars, wheels, and any other details you want to include. Take your time to get the proportions just right. Now, let's add some details to our scooter. Think about the headlights, the seat, the footrests, and any other features that will make our scooter stand out. Let's make it as stylish as possible. Time to add some color. Choose vibrant hues that reflect your personal style. May be a bold red, a sleek black, or a funky pattern. Let your imagination run wild as you bring your scooter to life with color. Once you're happy with the colors, add any final touches to your artwork. Maybe add some shading to give your scooter depth and dimension, or some highlights to make it shine. Let's make our scooter look like it's ready to hit the road. And there you have it, our sleek and stylish scooter ready to hit the streets. We've transformed a blank page into a really cool work of art. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create art. Let your creativity be your guide and have fun with it. This is your chance to design the scooter of your dreams. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more art adventures. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your creativity continue to roll on.